Only Friday right here. I got a whole bunch of Russell's right here, guys. Look at this. Nice, huh? That's a whole bunch right here. Okay. Every day, Friday, I got a whole bunch here. And then how to make it, and then I make a new one right now. Okay. You got this one here, Russell's seed right here. You buy this online. Okay. And you put a couple scoop right here, maybe 2. Let me put 2 spoons right here inside here, and put the water in. Let's see, 1, 2. I think 2 good enough. And then put water in. Right there. And then put in the water, warm water in maybe overnight, or you need about 6 hours. That's all you need. Yes, put on water. You need this one right here to leak like this, because this one you got to take it out of the water. That's 2. 1 more. That's it. And about 3, 4, 6 hours later, you dump the water and let it sit there. You let it sit like this right here, see? See water come out, let it sit. Then Friday you have good healthy food, that's all. Very healthy food, guys. Look at that. A lot. I can eat this couple of days.